So now the weather now is gonna rain. So now we're still entering the Sulpan cave. Hopefully it will not have a flash flood because we're just entering now the Sulpan cave and it's already starting to rain. So it's more adventure now. Climbing now, Sulpan Cave. We are entering now the Sulpan. So nice formation inside Sulpan Cave. We call this one a giant pillar or column. So they're connected from above to the ground. Yeah, beautician. Talagmite. Stalactite. So naabtang kamihan baha. So 4 o'clock nagbaha didi ha. Na stranded kami. So naghulat kami kung sa daanan river and water. Kami na pinakaigbaw na chamber. So safe naman kami dito. Pero dito kami maalam kung ano oras ma-subside. Ade Oliver. So ang river adi akong luyo. So ano yun nababati. So baha. So, basta mag-ubusan water. Anaman ba na ako po dato sa na chamber. Nagbulag kami. Kay, tikadi kunta kami exit. So, naabtan kami baha. So, na Oscar. So, ato sa igbaw. So, di pa kita maaram kay. Waray pa kami mag-ubos ang tubig. Good morning. We stay overnight here in Sulpan. But we're still sleeping. So we're still stranded at Sulpan because of flooding. Yeah, it's already almost 5 o'clock in the morning. And ani kita Sulpan Cave. Ada kita an upper part and Sulpan Cave. So sa chamber. So by 6 o'clock, mabalik kami nga to river to check. So we can go out. We can exit and back to the camp. Yeah. So I sleep here. Yeah. So that's my bed. My water. See, the river still flooding. So I cannot go out. Still flooding here in Sulpan. So we cannot go to the exit. Still flooding there. So wait until the river go down. And they are there. Stranded. Sulpan. It's already morning. So it's now 7 o'clock in the morning. And we're still here in Sulpan Cave. So this is our second day here in Sulpan Cave. Lower the river. The camp in Sulpan waterfall. And we trek going to Pinipisakan and go to the campsite there. Yeah, we're still, so it's our second lagyapunan. entrance and Sulpan Cave. At kami dito na upper partan Sulkay makusog liwat ang current kagabi. So yan na, makusog pa ang current. So Amaton River baha pa ya. Deron weather okay na ya. So hold na lang natin na mag lower down ang river. Nice here. Beautiful here. Sulpan, Pinipisakan. So we're waiting until the water go down here at Sulpan. So adi na akong rescue na taga Bayang. So ginlanad kami nga diha kuan. Sulpan. So yan ang makuha na kami. Now we're gonna jumping in Sulpan Cave. Sige, wala. Sayang. Sige. Concentrate. One, two. Oh, dito na, diretso. Sige. Finally, we're back here on our campsite. So, we survived in Sulpan during the flooding. So, we're back here in our campsite. So, finally, thank you for our guide here in Bayang. So, they're the one rescue us this morning. So, they climbed there during, even the current still strong. So, they have a rope so we can hold the rope so we can start going out in Sulpan Bayang now. So we're gonna have our breakfast here, and after eating our breakfast we're gonna trek again back to Dorongan.